Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm Culture, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I use this product by Kiss. It's called Falscara, and it is a bond and seal kind of mascara product that helps you put on fake lashes. It's really cool. I've actually been using this for probably the last maybe 3 weeks. I actually took this on vacation when we went on a road trip and I used it every day. I cannot believe how easy this product is. I feel like it has changed the game for anyone who wears false lashes but doesn't like to wear glue and probably doesn't like to wear or cannot figure out how to wear magnetic eyelashes. This is going to be your go-to product. I absolutely love it. So if you buy this in a kit, it'll come with this Falscara product along with individual lashes that are grouped in 3. I decided to not get the lashes that came with this. I ended up getting Ardell Lash Trios. They're basically the same thing, but I liked how wispier the Ardell Lash Trios looked. So that's why I got this one instead. I used all of these so far when we were on vacation, so I have a few left of the short length. I really do prefer the longer length, but since this is the only length that I have left, right now I have some order that it's going to be delivered, but I'll show you what these look like anyhow. I like to use these tweezers right here. These are my favorite tweezers to use with false lashes. So I already have some makeup on my face along with some eyeliner on the top lid and then also on my I never know what to call it. This is your waterline, and then I don't know what that is up there, but it's underneath the lash line. I went ahead and put mascara on. Now there's 2 sides to this Falscara. There's the bond side that you put on before you put on your lashes, and then there's the seal side that you put on after. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I have a mirror right here next to my camera, so I'm gonna be looking here. Okay, I'm gonna do my left eye so it is closer to the camera. So again, the bond side, it says it's made with biotin, and the wand is super tiny. On the instructions, it does say a little bit goes a long way, and you just put it on just like mascara, but you're not looking to thicken your lashes or have volume or anything. You just wanna put the product on your lashes. So this is what I do here. Kind of wiggle it on. If you get it on your eyelash, or I'm sorry, your eyelid, just wipe it off, or you can wait till you're done and then you can use a Q-tip or a makeup wipe, but it comes off pretty easily before it dries. Just making sure that all of my lashes are coated. And that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna take my lash trios, and I've actually used this Falscara with other lashes. You don't have to use Kiss lashes, you don't have to use Ardell. If you have a strip lash that you wanna cut down, you can do that too, which is what I did. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of these individual lashes of 3. Look at how easy this is. You place it under your lash, not on top. You wanna place it under your lash where you put that product. I wiggle it a little bit, and it's secure. Like, it's that easy. You don't have to wait. You don't have to worry about waiting for it to get tacky or dry down a little bit. No mess with glue, tubes, or anything. Wiggle it a little bit, and it's stuck. This literally takes just a few minutes. So great to take on vacation when you don't want to fuss. You don't want to worry about glue or magnets. No wait time, and these last all day. Like I said, I wore these on vacation. We were on vacation for 8 days. This was such a great alternative. 1 minute, boom, done, stays all day. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove after this video. So once those lashes are on, you wanna take the seal side, and it says it's made with vitamin E. And it says that this helps to seal it a little bit more, and it also helps reduce the stickiness because the bond is not a mascara and it's not an eyelash glue. It's almost like a combination of both. This is the other mascara wand. It's white. It doesn't dry down white. It actually dries down clear, and you just put it at the very bottom, the base of the lashes, and kind of push it up against those individual lashes. Not all the way up. That's it. It's amazing. What do you guys think? And this is the short length of these lash trios, by the way, which are quite long anyways. And the medium size that I used all the way already on vacation. They're just a tiny bit longer. So now going on with this lash, taking again the Bond side, sweeping it on just like mascara. If you place it in the wrong place, just take it off. It's that easy. And then place it on. I like to wiggle it a little bit more just to make sure it's secure. Last one, going on, wiggle, done. I'm gonna swipe on some of that seal side. Again, just at the base. You guys, and that's it. Look at how pretty this looks. You can do this, obviously without all the talking that I'm doing in this video. You can do this in 2 minutes. And this is how easy it is to take off. That's it, off. No struggling, no pulling. And then look at how easy it is to put it back on. That's it. And I hope they never, ever, ever get rid of it because it's amazing. I might have to buy like a case of it because I absolutely love it. So if you can see a little bit of that adhesive from the eyelashes to keep it sticking to the container, I'm going to grab some liquid eyeliner so I can show you what it looks like when you hide that stuff. Okay, so this one is just a liquid eyeliner from Eyeko, and it's one that has a felt tip. I'm just gonna go underneath and slightly dot wherever I see a little bit of that clearish, whitish, sticky stuff. And this is not going to be the case for other eyelashes that you might use. For example, if you cut down your own lash trios by using a lash strip, you most likely won't have to do this part. So at the end of the day, when you're ready to wipe off all your makeup and everything, wash your face, you can pull off the lashes so easy and you can reuse them. So either keep them in a container or whatever container that you have in your bathroom. Save the lashes if they're not completely mutilated by that time at the end of the day. And then your eyelashes are going to be sticky. They are going to have a little bit of that Falscara product on them still. So what I use is either a Q-tip or a cotton pad, and I soak it with eye makeup remover, hold it there for a few seconds, and then kind of like gently agitate it, and then all of the stuff comes off. It comes off kind of like waterproof mascara, kind of like in clumps. It's a little bit tacky like eyelash glue, and then you can wash your face. It will not come off with face soap. Any type of face wash that you have, I have used it, like trying to use face wash in the shower and rub my eyes gently. It stays on and it will not come off. So it will come off with eye makeup remover. I don't know if it comes off with like baby oil or anything, but anything that's gonna soften the product and have it easily wipe off, you can use. So again, I cannot say enough great things about this product. Super easy to use, very fast, stays on all day, really easy to remove. When you just pull off the lashes, you don't have to worry about your natural lashes being affected. You can use this product with other types of eyelashes that you have. If you have any questions, please let me know. You guys know I love posting videos about eyelashes. It's probably my favorite thing to post about. So leave me any questions and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.